Hello everyone, now I am here with vowel O words, short vowel O sound words that you can see on the board. So, the sound of O is O. The sound of O is O. The short vowel sound of O is O. So, here it is, first one is O and G. The sound of O is O and sound of G is G. Okay, so it will be og, og, like D, O, G, dog, F, O, G, fog, J, O, G, jog, L, O, G, log. Similarly, if you will merge both the sounds together, that is og, og, it will be d, og, dog, f, og, fog, j, og, jog, and l, og, log. Okay. Next is O and D words. The sound of O is O and sound of D is D. Okay, so it will be odd, odd, like G, O, D, God, R, O, D, rod, P, O, D, pod, and K, O, D, cord. Okay, so if we will merge both the sounds together like O and D, it will be odd, like G, odd, God, R, odd, rod, P, odd, pod, and K, odd, cord. Okay. Next one is OP. Sound of O is O and sound of P is P. So, if we are merging both the sounds together, it will be op, op, like H, O, P, hop, T, O, P, top, M, O, P, mop, and K, O, P, cop. Okay. Now, with the merged sound, it is op. Okay. It will be H, op, hop, T, op, top, M, op, mop, and K, op, cop. Okay. Next is O and B. So, what is the sound of O? It's O and sound of B is B. It will be ob, ob, like J, O, B, job, M, O, B, mob, K, O, B, cob, S, O, B, sob. Now with the merged sound, job, 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 job. Okay. Next is mob, mob. Okay. Next is mob, mob. Then ob, cob, and sob, sob. Okay. Again one more time I will revise. Og, odd, op, and ob. Okay. Now some more words I will cover. Okay. As I have told you, some more words are there. As we have seen that I am taking all three letter words. The short vowel sound of O with 3 letter words. Okay. So, as you can see, the sound of O is O and sound of T is T. If we will merge both the sound, it will be ot, like K, O, T, cot, H, O, T, hot, P, O, T, pot, and N, O, T, not. If we will merge, then it will be cot, 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 hot, hot, Pot, pot, and ought, not. Some more words with OT like d, ought, dot, p, ought, pot, l, ought, lot, g, ought, got. When we will merge both the sound, it will be ought like d, ought, dot, p, ought, pot, l, ought, lot, and g, ought, got. Okay. Similarly, one more is there. It is O and W. The sound of O is O and sound of W is W. It will be ove. Okay, like b, o, v, bow, r, o, v, row, l, o, v, low. Now with the combination b, o, bow, r, o, row, and l, o, low. Okay. Next one is O and X. The sound of O is O and sound of X is X. So b, ox, pox, f, ox, fox, p, ox, pox. Okay, like b, ox, box, f, ox, fox, and p, ox, pox. So 4 more combinations: ought, ought, o, and ox. Okay, so you can practice from this vowel O words, short vowel sounds of vowel O. Okay, I hope so that this video is helpful for you.